In the snugly nestled town of Sweetville, where the scent of warm, fresh-baked goodies fills the air, there live two intrepid friends, Benny Bunny and Sally Squirrel. Their days are filled with the thrill of discovery as they traverse the mystical forest encircling their beloved town. On a morning graced with sunshine, they chanced upon an unusual bush, laden with glowing berries. Being the adventurous duo they are, they collected some to present to the town's gifted baker, Mrs. Whiskerstein. Little did they know, these were no run-of-the-mill berries. They were magical giggleberries. When Benny and Sally offered the giggleberries to Mrs. Whiskerstein, her baker's heart couldn't resist incorporating them into her renowned muffin mix. Little did they all realize, this enchanted blend was about to give life to their muffins. As the muffins emerged from the oven, they sprouted tiny legs and erupted in merry giggles. Wide-eyed and astonished, Benny and Sally found themselves amidst a delightful pandemonium of giggling muffins bouncing all around Sweetville. The townspeople, initially taken aback, soon joined the laughter-filled revelry. The giggling muffins led everyone on a merry romp throughout the town, spreading joy and laughter in their wake. The mayor even declared the day the Great Sweetville Muffin Marathon. With a spirit of teamwork and laughter echoing through the town, Benny and Sally managed to round up the playful muffins. They discovered that the more everyone laughed, the higher the muffins could leap. The day transformed into a town-wide festival of giggles filled with games, music, and naturally scrumptious muffins. As dusk descended on Sweetville, the townsfolk congregated in the square, each sharing their stories and relishing the magical muffins. Benny and Sally discovered that even the most unexpected adventures could unite a community and infuse their lives with laughter and joy. And so, the tale of the Giggleberry Muffins became a treasured legend in Sweetville, serving as a reminder that a pinch of magic and a hearty dose of laughter can morph an ordinary day into an extraordinary journey. And the moral of this story? Embrace the unexpected, share in the laughter, and make every day a magical adventure.